Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain the back exercise of Unit 2, that is study techniques, and back exercise is mentioned on the page number 13. So let's start with the first part. First part is question answer, and the first question is, how is reading associated with learning and what is the relation between reading and learning? Reading is only one aspect of learning. Aspect means part, side or feature. It means reading is only one part of learning. What is the advantages of reviews and updates? It will help us to know what progress we have made in our studies. How should we make the priority list? Okay, what are steps involved in making of priority list? When we have many things to do, make a priority list. When making the list, begin with the most difficult subject. When you have so many things to do, you have to make a priority list. In a priority list, you have to start with the work or action which is most important for you. What happens once we have faith in our ability to learn? Once we have faith in our ability to learn, nobody can stop us from doing so. Now the second part is true false, and the first one is, the first duty of a student is to read. No, this is a wrong statement and we have to write false here. So what is the right statement? Right statement is, the first duty of a student is to study. The second one is, there should be a adequate light when we study. Yes, this statement is right, so we have to write here true. One should study all the night without sleeping. No, this is a wrong thing and we have to write here false. Fourth one, teaching is the best way to learn. Yes, this statement is right, so write here true. Moving towards the next page. Third part is sharing time. Here are descriptions about two students. Share your views on their learning styles. Also indicate whether it is good or bad. Here are pictures of two students are given and also description related to them. So we have to read the descriptions and tell whether they are doing right thing or wrong. So starting with the first one, that is, Amisha is good in studies. If she has some doubts, she doesn't care to get them clear. She does not share it with her friends too. She thinks it is shame. Amisha is very good in her studies, but she has some problem, that is, she doesn't clear her doubts. Okay, because why she doesn't clear her doubt? Because she think having a doubt is shameful. So it is a bad thing. So it is a wrong habit. It is a bad habit because she hesitate to clear her doubts. In the second picture, Rohit wants to study well. During study hours, he sits for hours and studies. He does not even move from his seat. Sometimes he becomes tired and nods. It means Rohit sits for longer duration to study, but this in turn is a bad habit because he does not refresh his mind and body. Now moving towards the fourth part, that is, the textbooks, teachers and parents are main sources of knowledge. However, there are some other sources to find out and write them in the blanks with the help of picture. As you all know, textbooks, teachers and parents are the important sources of knowledge. Okay, but here are the pictures of some other sources are given, so we have to identify them and name them. In the first, this is the first picture and it is a picture of newspaper, so we have to write here newspaper. In this picture, boy, plant and birds are shown, which is present in our surroundings. It means, so we have to write here environment or nature, because our environment and nature are also a very important source of knowledge. The third one is internet. Internet is a major source of knowledge in these days because we get any kind of knowledge with the help of it. The fourth picture is picture of radio. In the fifth picture, two girls are standing and in their behind there are so many books which are present in the library. So we have to write here library. In the last, this is the last picture, which is a picture of television or TV. So write here. So all these six are the major sources of knowledge. Okay, Dear students, with this we have completed the back exercise of Unit 2. I hope now you will understand it better. Take care. Thank you.